Needle valve repair instructions for 15K and 20K large pocket valves. You want to start by fully opening the valve. Unscrew the handle screw using a T15 torque screwdriver. Remove the handle from the valve stem. Flip the valve over and tap the bottom of the handle to jar the handle loose. Because of the tapered square on the stem and handle, sometimes the handle can be wedged on the stem. Some forceful taps may be necessary. Secure the valve in a vise and break the gland free from the valve body using a 5/8 deep socket. Unscrew the packing gland and remove the stem assembly from the body. If you are unable to unscrew the gland using your fingers, use a 5/8 wrench. Once the stem assembly is removed, clean out any potential contaminants that could affect valve function. An air blow gun is a good tool to achieve this. Remove the lower stem assembly and replace with the new stem assembly. If necessary, reapply an anti-seize compound to the upper stem pocket or lower stem head. Once the lower stem is installed, use the handle to run the upper stem the entire way up the packing gland. This puts the stem in the fully open position. Apply a thin layer of Cristo Lube MCG 111 lubricant, or equivalent, to the lower stem. Insert the stem assembly into the valve body. Next, screw the packing gland into the valve body hand tight. Use your fingers or a 5/8 wrench. Secure the valve in a vise. Then, with the stem fully open, torque the packing gland to the manufacturer's specified torque value. Now we can reinstall the handle. Mate the tapered square side of the handle with the square on the upper stem. Then, use a T15 torque screwdriver to securely fasten the handle on the stem. This concludes the needle valve repair instructions for 15K and 20K large pocket valves.